I'm gonna do hamburgers tonight, so I'm gonna do it the lazy girl way, right? So what I do for an easier cleanup, I line my pan with foil, and I take each patty. Some people like to fry these, but again, I said lazy girl style. I don't like to do much frying actually. So I just take these off of here, right? Lay them down. I'm gonna show you how I'll season them. So I take these, put them down here. I take a pack, I take a pack of Lipton, actually, you know the Lipton onion soup pack? Which this is the Kroger brand, it's the off brand. So I'm using this. Let me just get it open. So I take, you can do 2 packs, but 2 packs may be too much. So just put it on. You getting it? See how I'm putting it on there? Okay. Turn a little light on so you guys can see it better. I just take it. Put it on each one. Pat it down in there. Kind of like pat it down. Gives it a nice glaze and a good flavor. So do that on both sides, right? Pat it down. Okay, flip it over. Other side, same thing, right? Okay, same thing, right? So you know, beef makes its own grease. You know, it's the fat that cooks. This one's breaking apart for me. Let me grab that and flip it. Okay. So yeah, beef, you know, I like to put it in the oven because I like majority of the fat to come off. So what I do is, I just like to put it in the oven, let it cook thoroughly. And then what I do, like halfway through the process, I take that grease and I discard it halfway through the process. So by the time it gets done, it's not that much grease sitting there. So I just do it like that. That's pretty much it. I could actually maybe put another one. Let's see if I can fit another one here. Let's do the same thing here. Yeah. There's some in there. What I like to do after that, give a little more flavor. See this right here? This seasoning? Bada. I'm assuming that's Bada. Badia. I take that. This is just herbs right here. Different herbs. Go ahead and dash that on there. Tap that on there. You can do both sides. At this point, I have it coated so good, I don't even need to do both sides. And that's it. Put it in the oven. Let me put my oven on, what, 350? I put my oven on 350, guys. Okay? Put that in the oven. Put it on the bottom rack. Okay, so I'm back. I took the burgers out. Actually, I turned my heat up to about 375 for like 15 more minutes. So altogether 30 minutes. Now you put your buns on a pan. Put your cheese on there. You can do the broiler at this point, but you have to stand there and watch it. So me, since my oven is hot, I'll just put it in there for like 2 minutes. That's it. That broiler, you have to stay right there, because if you don't stay right there with it, guess what? It'll overcook every time. But just putting a little butter on my bun. Watch that. See that cheese? See how it's melted? Go ahead and sit your burger on there. And sit your burger on there. See that? It looks so good. I can't wait to eat. Look at that. Look at that cheeseburger.